Welcome to the Trophic Tower simulation. In this simulation, you will see how much energy is used and passed along levels of the trophic pyramid. To begin, click on the Sim tab. You will see a trophic pyramid with producers and 4 levels of consumers. In this simulation, a climber begins at the bottom of the pyramid with a bucket of water and climbs to the top. You will be able to see how much water is lost to each level of the pyramid. To begin the simulation, read the on-screen instructions. Note how much water is in the bucket at the bottom of the pyramid. Click on the Climb button. You will notice that the red Record button is lit. After the climber reaches the top, you can view the recording of this climb and pause it at different levels of the trophic pyramid to see how much water is left in the bucket. To do this, click on the Play button and click on the Pause button to pause the recording and read how much water is in the bucket. Once you have recorded the water level, click Play to resume. You can play this recording over again if you need to. To do another test of the pyramid, click on the Reset button and a different test can be done. Once you are done with the trophic pyramid water test, click on the Electrical Tower button to do the electrical test. Here, electricity rather than water is used to illustrate the trophic pyramid. The primary level of the tower represents the producers, and each additional level represents the 4 levels of consumers. Photovoltaic cells are used to convert the sunlight to electricity. An electrical circuit is placed on a tower, and light bulbs are used to illustrate the amount of electricity at each consumer stage. You will use the ammeter to measure the electricity at each leg of the circuit. Begin by reading the on-screen instructions. Click and drag the ammeter from the bottom right side of the screen to the right side of the tower, where the wire glows red. Allow it to click into place and take the reading. Move the ammeter up the circuit and take readings at each consumer stage. Note the intensity of the light bulb at each stage. This represents the level of energy available to each level of the trophic pyramid. To run another test on the electrical tower, click the Reset button.